Probably not the smartest thing. It's about 45, maybe 50 degrees out today. It's overcast. It was supposed to rain all day, but things are holding out right now. It's mid-April. There's not a soul on the trail out this morning. It's really, really beautiful out here. We're heading out to Lake Michigan to do a little surf casting. I have my fishing pole, and of course, I have my fish bugle with me because it's the first fishing trip of the season. I'll show you guys how that works when we get out to the big lake. Really appreciate you guys joining me. Okay, the fish bugle. This was finally passed down to me last year. It's been in the family for a long time. My grandpa used to own it, and he had a lot of success. The legend is that if you use the fish bugle, blow it at the beginning of the season, you'll have good luck all year long. So I'm gonna give it a try. Last year, I tried it out. It didn't work so well. I think I might have to fine tune it. So let's give it a try. Okay, and I want to give a shout out to a few channels that I follow, some wonderful channels that I don't think they need the good luck, but I'm going to give it to them anyway. Vincent Donnelly from The Mad Fisherman, John from Minute on the Mountain, Ben Orvis from Orvis and Company, and Dan from DC Outdoors. This one's for you guys. I know you don't need it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, if you have good luck this year, it's from Grandpa. If not, we'll blame it on him. All right, let's go do some fishing. You guys didn't see that one. Okay, I really want to go to the other side, but I didn't bring a change of socks or boots. There's a bridge not too far upstream, but I really don't want to walk up and back around. I think I'm just going to go over. All right, let's go. Probably not the smartest thing. Okay, I know I didn't catch any fish today, but it sure was a lot of fun. What a great way to start the season. I gotta get home and change my socks. All right, until next time, stay in peace. Rivers and coffee. That should do it. All right. Now I'll give it a try. Maybe there's a reason why there's nobody fishing along the shoreline right here.